with a long-standing history of crafting quality coffee machines. This Braun MultiServe coffee maker represents the next evolution in drip coffee, from single-serve to multi-serve and everything in between. The Braun MultiServe combo brewer easily adapts to your ever-changing needs and coffee preferences. Our exact brew system delivers consistent optimal brewing with every cup, automatically calculating the precise water flow temperature and speed with the touch of a button. Brew Choice Plus lets you customize your coffee to your liking, from light to bold. Even ice certified as a golden cup by the Specialty Coffee Association, your great tasting drip coffee however you prefer it. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. A convenient multi-serve dial system also makes it easy to brew as much or as little as you need, ranging from a pod-free single cup to a full carafe of coffee, which is delivered in less than 8 minutes without sacrificing taste. Plus, always know your brewed coffee is fresh with a visible freshness indicator display, sleek and streamlined with a stainless steel design. The Braun MultiServe coffee maker offers the convenience and versatility you crave while never compromising the quality of your brew. Its drip coffee evolved what's included: coffee maker, glass carafe, gold tone permanent filter, charcoal filter, measuring scoop, instruction manual, and quick start guide. 3 years. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Exact Brew System. The Exact Brew System delivers consistent optimal brewing performance in every cup, automatically calculating the precise water flow temperature and speed for every coffee preference. Number 2. Brew Choice Plus. Customize your coffee to your liking with the over ice light gold bold setting with the touch of a button. Number 3. Fast Brew exclusive heating technology delivers a full pot of coffee in under 8 minutes without sacrificing taste. Number 4. Temp Sensor System. 3 sensors closely monitor temperatures throughout the brewing process to achieve SCA brewing standards quickly and keep coffee at the perfect temperature. Number 5. Specialty Coffee Association Golden Cup. SCA certification ensures optimal brewing performance to great tasting drip coffee with every brew. Number 6. Multi-serve dial. Choose your ideal brewing size from 7 different options, from a pod-free single cup direct serve into a travel mug to a full carafe with a simple turn of a dial. Number 7. Freshness Indicator. Always know your brewed coffee is fresh with the visible display. Number 8. Unique Carafe Design. The long narrow shape of the carafe traps moisture, preventing a bitter coffee taste from developing. BPA-free. Number 9. Hot Surface Indicator. Light a hot surface indicator light below the hot plate will remain lit until the hot plate cools down. This light will stay illuminated when the surface is hot, even when the unit is powered off. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What kind of filter does it use? Answer. The unit comes with a gold tone mesh filter included, however. You can also use a paper number 4 filter. Question number 2. Does it have an automatic shutdown? Answer. This unit has an automatic shut-off after 2 hours from the initial brew. Question number 3. Does it have a grinder? Answer. This coffee maker does not come with a grinder. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.